everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, we're going to learn how to share wishlist on AliExpress. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your AliExpress application or log into aliexpress.com on a web browser. Now, once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the account button at the bottom right hand corner. Scroll down and tap on view all to show all of the products that you've added on wishlist. In order to share your list, go ahead and click on the product. Now, go ahead and tap on the share icon at the top right hand corner and then tap on the copy button in the pop-up. Once you've copied the link of the product, you can now go ahead and share the link with your friends via any messenger application, or simply tap on the message option and go ahead and type in the contact information of the person and share the link by tapping on the send button. You can share the link with your friends via any social networking application, or you can use a QR code generator to create QR codes for the product link. Compose an email and include the list or document as an attachment, or simply copy and paste the item's name and link to the email. So that was how you can easily share your wish list on AliExpress. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.